Let me start with a harsh truth. The reason people walk all over you isn't because they're evil masterminds. It's because you keep laying down like a red carpet and acting shocked when they step. And here's the thing. Toxic people don't always come with horns and a warning sign. Sometimes they come with fake smiles, friendly texts, or even, "I'm just joking" energy. But make no mistake, there are certain behaviors you should never, ever tolerate. Not from family, not from friends, not from partners, not from anyone. Because the second you accept it, you're basically handing out free coupons that say, "Disrespect me again, it's on the house." So let's stop playing discount store. Let's talk about 5 brand new behaviors that need to get banned from your life permanently. Behavior #1, the walking excuse factory. We all know one. The person who has a reason, no, a story for why they can't ever follow through. They'll say, "I would have shown up, but," or "I was going to pay you back, but," or "I swear I was about to change, but." Listen, everyone has bad days, life happens. But if someone's entire personality is, "Sorry, I couldn't because insert drama," then guess what? They're not unlucky. They're unreliable. And here's the savage truth. When someone shows you they can't be counted on, believe them. Because if you keep excusing them, you're not compassionate. You're their unpaid safety net. So stop tolerating constant excuses. A person who can't follow through doesn't deserve to follow you. Behavior #2, the energy leeches. Ever notice that some people treat your attention like an all-you-can-eat buffet? They'll call you at 2 a.m. with their latest drama. They'll rant for hours about problems they have no intention of solving. They'll leave you emotionally drained like your brain just ran a marathon. But when you need a listening ear, suddenly they're busy. Or worse, they flip the conversation back to them. Here's the deal. That's not friendship. That's parasitism. They don't want solutions. They want a stage. They don't want connection. They want an audience. Stop being free Wi-Fi for emotional vampires. Your energy is not unlimited. And if someone constantly leaves you exhausted instead of empowered, they don't deserve a subscription. Unplug them. Behavior #3, the masters of bare minimum. These are the people who think crumbs are a feast. They send you one dry "wid" text after ignoring you for weeks and expect you to be grateful. They show up once every 6 months and suddenly act like they deserve loyalty points. They'll say, "At least I remembered your birthday," after not supporting you all year. Listen, consistency is respect. Effort is respect. The bare minimum is not respect. And here's the savage part. If you keep clapping for crumbs, don't be surprised when that's all they ever feed you. Stop accepting the participation trophy version of relationships. Demand presence, demand consistency, demand effort. Because the people who want to be in your life will show it, loudly, clearly, and regularly, not once every leap year. Behavior #4, the subtle saboteurs. These ones are tricky. They won't openly insult you and they won't outright block you, but they'll plant tiny seeds of doubt every chance they get. You tell them your dream, they go, "That's cool, but isn't that like risky?" You share your achievement, they shrug, "Oh, anyone could have done that." You talk about leveling up, they laugh and say, "Don't get your hopes too high." They're not protecting you, they're projecting on you. And if you tolerate it, here's what happens. You'll start shrinking. You'll start lowering your goals. You'll start believing their small mind is reality. But remember this, a person who can't see your vision isn't qualified to comment on it. So when subtle sabotage shows up, shut it down. Smile, nod, and remind yourself, their limits are not your limits. Behavior #5, the gaslighters. And finally, the most dangerous of them all, the people who make you question your own reality. You tell them, "That hurt me." They say, "You're imagining things." You say, "That's unfair." They say, "You're too sensitive." You recall what they said last week. They swear it never happened. Gaslighting is psychological warfare. It's not a misunderstanding, it's an attack on your sanity. And if you tolerate it, you'll start doubting yourself. You'll start apologizing for things that weren't your fault. You'll start bending your entire identity just to keep the peace. But here's the savage truth. Anyone who plays games with your reality does not deserve a single second in it. The best clapback to gaslighting isn't an argument. It's distance. Because you don't need to explain reality to someone who's committed to denying it. the wake-up call. So let's recap. Excuse factories, energy leeches, bare minimum specialists, subtle saboteurs, gaslighters. These 5 aren't just annoying quirks. They're termites eating away at your self-worth. And if you keep tolerating them, you'll wake up one day realizing you're living someone else's version of your life. But the second you stop, the second you cut the cord, raise the standard, and enforce your worth, everything changes. Your circle gets smaller, yes, but your peace gets bigger. Your self-respect grows. Your energy skyrockets. And the best part, you finally start living like the main character of your own story, instead of the supporting role in someone else's drama. So here's your final reminder. You don't need to tolerate every behavior just to keep people around. You're not desperate. You're not replaceable. You're the prize. Act like it. If you're done being drained, disrespected, and played with, hit that subscribe button right now. Because on this channel, we don't tolerate crumbs, gaslighting, or fake love. We level up, cut off, and take back control. So drop in the comment section. I am done tolerating toxic energy, and show the world you're leveling up.